Storytelling has changed massively in recent years, and it's no longer just about capturing footage but about taking along people on a journey to see things from a different lens. And having a camera while cycling can be a great way to capture and document your experiences on two wheels. Whether you're exploring new terrain, competing in races, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, a camera can help you capture and preserve memories of your adventures. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best cycling cameras available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out the video description. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Still hits the checkboxes as one of the best GoPro out there. The GoPro Hero 9 has 5K inbuilt stabilization. The built-in software is way more put together than previous GoPros. The built-in software is much more polished than previous GoPros. The best part about it is that it has a front display plus rear touchscreen, making it way easier for framing and intuitive camera control. The screen works well and makes it much easier to take selfies or film yourself. The Hypersmooth keeps getting better and better. You can count on this GoPro to have the best advanced video stabilization ever. Also, the fact that you can record time-lapse scenes as you move or anywhere else is pretty amazing. This tough-as-nails GoPro is great for rugged terrain, especially if you're out and about in the gnarliest conditions, making it super ideal for cyclists on your adventures. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black. If you are talking about the best action camera in the market, GoPro comes up at the top of the list. You're not only paying for the brand and its features, but the experiences and shared community and range of accessories that come with their kit. The GoPro Hero 10 is its latest model and is known for how fast, responsive, and smoother it is compared to its predecessors. You're paying for a powerful new GP2 engine, making it double the frame rate for rock-solid smooth footage. It is no longer just about 4K, but the fact that you can go up to 5.3 Kelvin is a nice quality if you're crazy about pixels. Most people often stick to 4 Kelvin divided by 30 or 4 Kelvin divided by 60 to stretch the battery life. If you're all about user interface and want things super snappy from live preview to transferring videos, the upgrade from your previous GoPro models may be worth it. Number 3. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Obviously not the latest entry model for the GoPro series, but still a value for money action cam with all the right features, including an inbuilt microphone. The 4K video is pretty good and hyper-smooth stabilization works well on the Hero 8. With 3 levels of stabilization, from, on, high, and boost, you can pick the best option for whatever you do. It has got all the workings of the main model and has much more vibrant and crisp footage. It's less noisy and the clarity is much higher compared to the Hero 7. The battery life is even decent and could go on for about 60 to 70 minutes of recording time with the highest quality settings. Number 2. AKASO Brave 7L. The Chinese company, AKASO, that makes GoPro lookalikes for half the price. Sometimes we don't need all the workings of an expensive machine if you're starting out with vlogging and capturing adventures. An entry level will do. The camera is able to shoot 4K 30 video and take 20MP photos. The action cam is also equipped with improved 6-axis eyes to provide gimbal-like stabilization. Their professional functions are limitless. There's the digital zoom function and various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion. It's also waterproof, so the IPX7 water-resistant design can protect the action camera from rain, snow, and water splashing. There's also accessories for mounting the camera, the dive housing, the second battery, and the wristband remote, all at that price. Number 1. Dragon Touch 4K. A spare camera for those throwaway action cam episodes that has no fancy frills could actually be beneficial. The Dragon Touch 4K is exactly that. Don't expect the best in stellar quality, but just another action cam to record your short cycling trips. The recording time is 1080p for about 90 minutes and 4K about 60 minutes. The action camera features multiple functions including driving mode, image rotation, time-lapse, loop recording, slow motion, drama shot, exposure, and white balance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.